I love construction vehicles. Okay, what's this?
The excavator.
Uh, excavator.
Excavator.
Excavator. This is a dump truck. Has huge wheels. They carry rocks and rubble from one place to another. They too big to drive a normal boat. Bucket. This is a bucket으로 어떻게 번다고 했지? Scoop. One scoop. Two scoop. Three scoop. Four scoop. Five scoop. Giant machines do many jobs and construction sites. Quarries,
Excavator.
excavator.
The excavator. 내 excavator. 똑같아. 이름이.
똑같지. 근데 엑스커베이터 얘는 끝에 버켓이 달려서 이렇게 스쿠핑 할 수 있는 엑스커베이터고 얘는 드릴이 달려있는 엑스커베이터. Quarries and mines. Whose dealers scoop up soil from the ground. Monstrous dump trucks rumble along as they carry heavy loads.